Let's talk about something most people scroll past because it's too heavy. Child trafficking is real, and it's happening in every region of the world. It doesn't always look like what you think. It can look like manipulation, fake job offers, online grooming, runaway exploitation, forced labor, and abuse hidden in plain sight. And the worst part? Silence helps traffickers. Awareness helps kids. So here's what we're doing. We're launching this campaign with the Tim Ballard Foundation to raise awareness, share real resources, and help fund the work that protects children and supports survivors. If you're watching this, do one thing right now. Share this video, follow the page, and comment, "I'm in," so more people see it. Because protecting children isn't political, it's human.